The skies are changing. A new era of unmanned combat has dawned. The Turkish Air Force is ready to welcome its latest game-changer, the Anka-3 stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The Anka-3 is not just a drone, it's a leap forward in unmanned technology. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, this stealth UCAV promises to redefine how modern air forces operate in contested airspace. From advanced stealth to versatile mission profiles, it's a machine designed for dominance. Turkey's journey in drone development has been nothing short of remarkable. Starting with the original Anka series, Turkish Aerospace Industries gradually refined its capabilities to produce drones capable of intelligence, surveillance, and precision strikes. The Anka-3, unveiled in 2023, marks the culmination of years of research and innovation. Its design reflects a shift towards stealth and efficiency. Unlike its predecessors, the Anka-3 features a flying wing configuration, a layout that minimizes radar cross-section while optimizing aerodynamic performance. This makes it highly suitable for operating in contested environments where traditional drones might struggle to survive. So, what makes the Anka-3 so special? Let's break it down. The flying wing structure reduces radar visibility, allowing it to penetrate deep into enemy territory undetected. The Anka-3 can carry a wide array of weapons, including precision-guided bombs and air-to-ground missiles, making it a versatile asset for multiple mission types. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors and communication systems, it offers real-time data to operators, enhancing situational awareness with extended endurance and semi-autonomous capabilities. The Anka-3 can perform missions that were once considered too dangerous or complex for manned aircraft. The delivery of the Anka-3 has far-reaching implications not just for Turkey, but for the global balance of air power. With a growing emphasis on indigenous defense production, Turkey is asserting itself as a key player in the unmanned aerial systems market. The Anka-3's ability to conduct intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions makes it a force multiplier for the Turkish Air Force. Its stealth capabilities could also pave the way for successful operations in heavily defended environments, areas where traditional aircraft might face significant risks. The most exciting moment is just around the corner. The Anka-3 has already completed rigorous testing, and its first operational deployment is imminent. Imagine the power of a drone that combines stealth, precision, and versatility all in one package. This is the future of air combat. The Anka-3 represents more than just a technological achievement. It's a symbol of Turkey's ambitions in the defense sector. As it joins the ranks of the Turkish Air Force, all eyes will be on how this stealth UCAV performs in real-world operations. What do you think? Is the Anka-3 a game-changer in modern aerial warfare? Let us know in the comments below.